In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up an if-then branch for a bot action in Hubspot. To begin, go into your Hubspot account and look for automations. From there, click Chatflows. This is where your chat tools and bot experiences are managed. In the list of chatflows, find the bot you want to update and click to open it. Give the editor a moment to load so you can see your existing messages and actions in the flow. Next, decide where you want the bot to make a decision. You will be adding logic directly under a specific message or action, so locate that point in the flow. Under that message or action, click the plus icon. This plus icon is how you insert new steps, and placing it in the right location matters because the branch will control what happens immediately after that point. When the menu opens, choose If-Then Branch. This creates a split in the chat flow, so the bot can route visitors down different paths based on information you define. Think of it as a simple rule. If the criteria is met, the bot follows one path, and if it is not met, it follows the other. Now click Add a Filter and set your criteria using the format. Property A is value. In practical terms, this means you are selecting a property from Hubspot, such as a contact detail or other stored attribute, and matching it to a specific value. Take your time here, because the accuracy of this filter determines which branch a visitor will enter. Choose a property that is reliable for your use case, and make sure the value is spelled and formatted exactly as you expect it to appear. Once your criteria is set, connect each branch to the right next step. You will do this by dragging the dots from each branch path to different bot actions. As you connect them, keep your flow organized and easy to read. This helps you verify that each path leads to the correct message, action, or outcome. Finally, click Save. Saving makes the logic live, so your bot can start using the if-then decision in real conversations. After you save, quickly scan the paths one more time to confirm everything is connected properly. And that covers everything you need to know.